Kelly had a pair of big, watery eyes. Every time it looked at the owner's heart would melt instantly. When it was being affectionate, it would constantly circle around the owner, making soft, sweet sounds and gently scratching the owner's trouser legs with its little paws. When the owner was at leisure, it would obediently curl up in the owner's arms. Now that Kelly has passed away, the owner customizes a wool felt because the wool felt can exquisitely reproduce Kelly's extremely lovely appearance. Looking at the wool felt, the owner seems to see Kelly's pair of lively eyes again and can relive those happy moments filled with Kelly's cuteness.